Welcome to the Accessing GovConnect Iowa series. This tutorial covers the process to get signed up for GovConnect Iowa. Please note that the appearance of your pages in this tutorial may look different due to system updates. From the GovConnect Iowa homepage, you will click the Sign Up hyperlink. You'll be asked to create your profile information, similar to most websites where you're creating a profile. You are required to provide any information with a red asterisk. This includes your name, your chosen username, your email address, password, and phone number. There are specific requirements for your username and your password. Each person must have their own GovConnect Iowa logon. This means we recommend not sharing your information with others. If you need assistance at any point, use the question mark icon. This will provide you with a menu of options including a help hyperlink. Also, don't forget about the kernel, our famous chatbot. I am going to add my name, username, and email now. In order to complete this process, I need to verify my email address. Once you click the Verify Email hyperlink, an email will be sent to the listed email address with a verification code. I will click that hyperlink now. You will need to enter the verification code that was sent to your email. If you do not see the email message, be sure to check your junk or spam folder for an email from no reply at GovConnect.iowa.gov. If you do not receive the verification code after a few minutes, you can click the Resend hyperlink. If you need to change your email, you can click the Use a different email hyperlink. I have located my verification code and will enter it now. And now that the verification code is entered, I will click Confirm to continue. Now that my email has been verified, I will finalize my account creation with a password and phone number, and then I will click Next. Be sure you read through the password requirements. If you would like to add a secondary phone number prior to continuing, click the Add a Secondary Phone hyperlink. I do not have additional phone numbers to include, so I will click Next. You will then need to select at least one security question and answer. Your selection may be used if you need to unlock your account or if you forget your password. There are so many options to choose from when you click the drop-down menu. I will choose my favorite. What is your lucky number? Alright, I've added my answer. As I mentioned, you can add another question for additional security by clicking the Add Another Question hyperlink. I am comfortable with one security question. I will now click Next. As a security measure, you're required to use two-step verification each time you log in to GovConnect Iowa, so select which verification method you'll use to receive alerts. You can use a passkey to sign in without a password by using your fingerprint, face, or a PIN. You can choose an authentication app, text message, or email. If you choose the authentication app option, you must first download an authentication app such as Google Authenticator, then click Setup to create a QR code. Open your phone's camera app, point the camera at the QR code, and follow the instructions in the app to add GovConnect Iowa to your authentication list. To add your phone or email option, click the Add a Phone or Add an Email link to enter either your phone number or email address where you would like to receive two-step verification codes. For this example, I will select Add Phone to have the code sent as a text message. I have added my phone number and will now click Save. A text message with a verification code was sent to your phone number. You will need to retrieve the code and enter it in the provided field. You will need to do this each time you log into GovConnect Iowa for security purposes. You can limit the amount of times you see this message by selecting the Trust this device checkbox. I will enter my security code now and will click Confirm. I can add additional two-step verification options or simply click Submit. I will move forward by clicking Submit. Confirmed. My login has been created. One important thing to remember is that this does not mean you are connected yet to any accounts. You have only created the login. You can print this confirmation page by clicking the Printable View button or simply click Login to begin your journey in GovConnect Iowa. I will click Login. You have arrived at your profile home. Here, you can request access to existing accounts, register a new business, or complete a bulk filer registration within the Get Started panel. You can also complete any number of actions through the Quick Links panel. Be sure to check out our tutorials covering a wide variety of these topics. Our profile includes an I Want To tab. I will click that tab now. As mentioned in our general navigation tutorial, each panel here will include hyperlinks directly related to the title. This includes a business panel to complete several business-related actions, quick links to file a return, respond to a letter, or make a payment, and many other panels and actions. Again, be sure to check out our additional tutorials for more. For more videos and help on how to navigate the GovConnect Iowa portals, visit revenue.iowa.gov/GovConnectIowa and our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.